Good morning, dear student. After learning exercise 3.3, today we learn exercise 3.4. This exercise is in formula of this formula Byx equal to n sigma xy minus sigma x sigma y divided by n sigma x square minus sigma x whole square. To see this formula, I think it is connect with UV, same as sigma UV minus sigma U sigma V sigma U square sigma U whole square. So here is they write down xy instead of UV. Okay, so there is no change in formula, just common thing. Exercise 3.4. A person in a state of South India produce spoon from materials. The following results are obtained for the average price and demand of last 6 months and 6. Sigma x 45, sigma y 122, sigma x square 439 and sigma xy 605. Obtain the regression line of demand on price X and estimate the demand of spoons when the price is rupees 10. Okay, they mentioned that obtain the regression line y on x. Obtain the regression line y on x. So regression line y on x. So what is the regression line of y on x? Y cap equal to a plus byx into x. According to this regression line, first of all, we have to find out byx. Okay? Here is many formula of byx. So first of all, we decided which formula will be applied. Okay? See elements sigma x, sigma y, sigma x square and sigma xy. They given sigma xy with sigma x square. So they given both elements sigma xy and sigma x square. So now it is very easy to decide that this formula will be applied sigma xy minus sigma x sigma y divided by n sigma x square minus sigma x whole square. Okay, putting the all value of this in this formula n 605 sigma x 45 sigma y 122 and six x square 439 minus sigma x 45 whole square. Six 605 into 6. So 3630 minus 45 into 122. So 5490 divided by 6 into 439. 2634 minus 45 square. 2024. 3630 minus 5490. 1860 minus 1860 divided by 2634 minus 2609. minus 3.05. b by x is minus 3.05. ઓકે માઇનસ એટલે ડાયરેક્ટ અહીં લખી જ દેવાનું માઇનસ પ્લસ બસમાં પડવાનું જ minus 3.05x. Now after that find value of a. So what is the formula of a? Y cap minus b by x into x bar. Y bar. So after the read question, it concludes that they not given x bar and y bar. So we have to find out x bar and y bar. X bar. If you want to find out x bar, use this formula sigma x divided by L. They already given sigma x. 45 divided by 6. 7.5. Same as x y bar. Sigma y divided by n. 122 divided by 6. 122 divided by 6. So 20.33. Okay. 20.33 minus y bar minus 3.05 and x bar. So what is the value of x bar? 7.5. 20.33 minus 3.05 into 7.5. So minus 22.88. Minus plus. 20.33 plus 22.88. 43.21. 43.21. This is the value of A. 43.21. Now, regression line is set. So, what they say next? The demand of spoons when the price is 10. Find the demand of spoon when the price is 10. Price is 10. Okay, price means x equal to 10. So putting x equal to 10 in regression line. Okay, so our regression line is 43.21 minus 3.05 x. So putting x as a 10 as a x. 43.21 minus 30.5. 12.7. Okay, so write down the statement. Demand is 12.71 when the price is 10. Price 10 હોય તો ડિમાન્ડ કેટલી થવાની? 12. ઓકે, લાસ્ટ સમ કાલના સમ ને આ સમમાં ફરક શું થયો? તો કે ભાઈ BY/X નું બદલાયું. ઓકે, BY/X નું બદલાયું, બાકી એઝ ઇટ ઇઝ રહ્યું. હવે આજે છે ને, આજે તમને PDF માં ખાલી ક્વેશ્ચન આપવાનો છે. ખાલી ક્વેશ્ચન તમારે જાતે ગણવાનું છે. ઓકે, જોઈ લેજો. નહીં સમજ પડે તો કોલ મી એની ટાઈમ. થેન્ક યુ. અને ખાસ તમારે મંગળવારે જે MCQ ની ટેસ્ટ છે તે સેકન્ડ ચેપ્ટરની છે. સેકન્ડ ચેપ્ટરની. અને ફ્રાઈડે જે આખું ડિસ્ક્રિપ્શન ટેસ્ટ છે, જે ગ્રુપ પર મેં પેપર મૂકું તે બી સેકન્ડ ચેપ્ટર. કોરિલેશન કોએફિશિયન્ટ. ઓકે, ડોન્ટ ફોરગેટ કોરિલેશન કોએફિશિયન્ટ. થેન્ક યુ. જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ.